What makes Aberpennar unique is the staff team. The entire team do it because they care. Alongside that, we're nursing, residential. As long as we feel we're able to support someone, we will. We've got several generations of staff working in the home and all doing it for the right sort of value set, and it all bleeds into that kind care company.
I've been given a lot of opportunities from the day I walked in through the door. They've always given me belief in myself that I can achieve whatever I want to. They always encourage you to progress.
We're upskilling people where we can see that room for development, the want for it as well. Tammy used to work in a fish shop and then moved into a care home setting as a carer and then worked her way up to nursing assistant. Julie was our wellbeing coordinator. She was a nurse once upon a time. The idea is it upskills staff that want to learn and do more. The progression pathway is a real reason why people stay.
It feels like family. All the carers, all the team are just so close-knit.
Every role is important in this home, down to the cleaning staff, down to the kitchen staff. We treat each other as equals, knowing what parts of jobs we've got to do to keep the home running.
We involve a lot of our outside life in this home, which is why I think makes it a bit special.
The warmth of everybody here, no matter whether they're in the kitchen, cleaners and admin, carers, maintenance, they all come in and join in with what we're doing. It's everybody joining as a team. It's just a lovely atmosphere.
The qualities I look for in staff when I'm recruiting is not based on experience. You can't train nice. We try and pull out our sort of company values. It draws out what that person is like as a person, and that's extended to the residents.
Working in care is a dedication.
I can't speak highly enough of any of my team.
It's just the best job in the world.